Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in right now. It's January 8th, I think, January 7th. It's 9 degrees here in Missouri. I thought I'd make some of these videos on getting your business going, and even if you've got your business going, what you can do to make it better, more streamlined. So I'm not very organized, and so I wanted to get a program that would tell me what I needed to do every day, as opposed to having my wife tell me that. So, and also with a program, I could just shut it down if I want. Can't do that with a wife. I've just started this business. You guys have been following me. You know I just started this business last April. Give you a little bit of background about me is I've been in business for myself since 1985. And so I've owned 2 restaurants, a remodeling and service company. The remodeling and service company has been going every year. And I still do a little bit of service stuff right now, just for the heck of it. But anyway, so the pandemic hit. Nobody wanted me in their house, and I thought, what is it that I do that's all outside? And I was already pressure washing, like for painting houses and stuff. So I just decided to build a bigger rig. One of the first things I knew I was going to need is something to keep me organized, because my wife, she's a librarian and she's not answering my phones anymore. So I looked into these CRMs. I kept seeing I joined a lot of forums, what I did, pressure washing forums, and they, oh, get this CRM. I didn't even know what the heck CRM meant, but I knew it was a computer program and an app, which I'm always scared of. I mean, you can look at me, I'm old, 61. I did everything with a pencil and paper for 40 years, and remodeling and everything else. Not pen and paper. I like the old #2 pencil. Sharpen it with my knife. That's the way I did all my estimates. Now, when I sent my estimates, I would type them up, or have my wife type them up, because I was just so slow at it. Okay, so I knew I needed to get organized. So I started looking at the different programs out there, and I tried. I had 3 free trials on different ones that people on the forums were saying. I tried all 3. MARKATE was the cheapest one of them all, but actually I found that it was the easiest of them all for me to run. So I really didn't know what my estimates looked like or anything, and so I was sending it to a couple of buddies. I would do a fake estimate and send it, and so they told me, yeah, it looks good, maybe do this or that, and so I tweaked it a little bit, and everything looked good. It's like $29, and then your add-ons are like $10 a piece. So I added on automatically ask for a Google review. Now you can ask for a Yelp review or a Facebook review. I didn't set that up. I just did a Google. So you're going to have to go and get your free Google My Business, fill that out best you can, get it up and going, because that right there is the #1 thing that's gotten me business. People want me to do their work. They don't even ask me sometimes. They just say, I see you've got a lot of good reviews. I want you to come over and do my work. That feature alone has way paid for this program. It's $29 plus $10 for that add-on, and it's called, let's see if I can turn this camera around. I don't know how to do that. Okay, I got my camera turned around here. So when you get your free trial and or you buy it, you just go right here to more, and it says add-ons. Drop down to add-ons right there, and then scroll down here, and it's called ask for a review. So that's what you want. All this other stuff you can get, but honestly, I don't even know what all that stuff does. I only use about 10% of all my options on this thing, and it's working out great for me. So I'm going to turn the camera back around. Okay, you can see I have difficulty turning my camera back around, but I can run this MARKATE program no problem. So what that does, so you want to get the free trial. The free trial actually has all those add-ons available for you to use. And it's a full working piece of software. I actually loaded customers in, real customers, just to see how it's working. It was great, so then I bought it. And that's one thing that the other two more expensive programs, they had a limited free trial, and you couldn't use it like that. But what I want to do for you guys, just so you'll see how easy this is and how good it looks. I mean, the first thing, other than your voice, the first thing your customer sees is your software, your MARKATE software. You're going to send them a notice that you're going to show up for an estimate, and when you get there, you do the estimate, you send it, and they open it up on their phone or email. Everything looks professional, and sometimes looking professional is better than being professional. Looking professional can get you more money per job. Also, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Even when I was remodeling and stuff, I was remodeling houses that was way more than I could afford. I always say it's the poor people don't hire people like us in the service business. As a rule of thumb, most of the time I'm working for people that has made it, got plenty of money, or doing really well, got more money than me. That's fine. That's the kind of customers you want. So if those are the kind of customers you want, and you send them an estimate on a napkin, they're not going to hire you. So, looking professional. This is one of the, you can never have a second chance to make a first impression. And that's what this program does. My very first customer, after I got to the job and I was ready to leave, I haven't even billed her yet. She told me how professional my software was, and that she really liked that she was notified I was coming out. I was getting ready to leave. I'd be there in 5 minutes. I started her job. She loved all that. And that was a big job too. So anyway, what I want to do for you guys is watch and hear. If you're on the fence about a CRM, MARKATE or others, but I want to show you what this one looks like. I'm going to make a dummy estimate, and for everybody, I'm going to put my email down in the description, and I'm also going to put a link there for the free trial at MARKATE. So what I want you to do, if you got any questions about it, is send me an email, and on the subject line put MARKATE test, and then I want you to go back and click on the MARKATE link I'll put in the description and get the free trial going. And then in about, I don't know, depends on how many emails I get, in a week probably, I'm going to shoot out this estimate to everybody that sent me their email. And so you have an actual estimate that you're looking at. And then I'm going to do another video on how you can make an additional $150 on each one of your customers using this program. This program makes it so easy. I won't get into that now. It's so simple. But anyway, that's the kind of follow-up videos I want to make. How to do the business, how to get more money. I've done it for so long. It's a lot of my little tips and tricks just seem so simple to me, but a lot of people don't know them. and I'm not selling a program. I'm, you know, I don't ask for any money. Um, and so, you know, do this now in the winter so you can, you know, it's going to take you 2 or 3 weeks on your you know, free trial to get used to it, and then I'll work you through a couple of things, and then also the customer support at MARKATE is second to none. I was the it's got a button here for like help, and you'll get that on your free trial, and you click that and you send a little message, and sometimes they even call you and say, hey, it's easier if I just talk to you. You know, they make it, they make you feel like you're paying $300 a month for this program, but you know it's only 39 bucks. So anyway, so that's the basics of it. Send me email, MARKATE test in the subject line, click the free trial. I'll do a few more shorter videos. I'm sorry this is so long. Shorter videos on how to make more money with this program. You'll make enough in the first couple of jobs to pay for this. You'll make enough extra, not make enough. You'll make enough extra on the first couple of jobs to pay for this MARKATE for the whole year. I'm just a regular guy, just trying to help everybody out. Some people along the way helped me out, and I'm just passing it on. So anyway, until my next video, take care, and I look forward to your emails.